Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your heartbeat rate on Samsung Galaxy Ring. To do it, make sure that your ring is on, and then in Samsung wearable app, go into the ring and click on heart rate, then click on measure. Let me just put the ring on correctly and click on measure, and now it's measuring my heart rate. And now my heart rate is measured. I can select my current status and click on save, and now it's been saved in my heart rate history, so I'll be able to check it out later. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.